What's up, everybody? Welcome back to an all-new episode of Complex. We are here at the Van Gogh experience in downtown Chicago. This here is an immersive experience that literally features Van Gogh as an artist and has so many different details. It's a live action art piece that is breathtaking. Now, today we'll be looking at it in terms of detail, as well as seeing exactly what it's all about in terms of the whole Chicago Van Gogh experience. So if you guys wanted to check it out, check out the link down below in the description. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so check it out. So this here is the experience itself. It actually looks really cool. You can see the details on the wall. It's very immersive and very unique. It's all working seamlessly, and you can see that there's no delay at all. I don't see any particular light shining on my face right now, and they did a great job with it. So it has over 90 million pixels. That is an insane amount. Look at it. It's crazy. Alright, so I have Brandon, one of the tech experts behind the whole Van Gogh experience, with us today. So tell me a little bit about exactly how you guys set this up.
Oh my goodness, well it takes about 16 people, 21 days working 10 hours a day straight. And it truly and honestly just starts with a concept and someone going, hey, can we do this? And then he hands it over to the technical side and go, make it happen. And we go, yeah, sure, why not?
Yeah, I mean, I was actually looking at how many projectors do you actually have set up?
74 in the building.
74, wow. And the fact that they're so seamlessly put together, that itself was a task, I'm imagining.
Let's put it this way, it's a big boardroom table and everyone has a voice and you got to make sure you balance all those voices.
One thing that I noticed was the heat inside there. Was that from the projectors?
That is all from the projectors. The building can actually turn its heat off if it wanted to. Yeah.
That is insane. What kind of projectors did you guys use for that?
Well, the cool thing about it is they're actually a laser-based projector. So there's a laser inside of it firing away from the lens itself that excites a plate.
Okay.
And that plate generates a light. And that's what you see coming out of the front of it. The cool thing about that is there's no mercury anymore. These projectors will go for about 5 years until they're actually tired.
I noticed that when I was walking around, I did not notice any of the projectors shining on me directly. How did you guys avoid that?
We literally take a perspective from where anyone would be standing.
So I guess you can say it was a lot of trial and error.
A lot of virtual reality trial and error. So
oh, really?
We build the space and stand in it in 3D and we look around to see what we can see.
So maybe you could do something like that in the future where a person can technically be immersive at home rather than coming 100%. Physically.
Yeah, there's a lot of times where, like, we've got to get different angles in the projectors because 3 projectors are trying to exactly sit in the same spot in reality. And we're like, nope, this one's got to move left, right, this one's got to come from the top. So we have to see all that before we get here.
All right, well, pretty cool stuff. And thank you once again, Brandon, for taking out time to interview. And with that being said, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you had any questions at all, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.